Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Techavro. Hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to show you how to delete Apple ID on your iPhone, or you can delete it from your PC, or you can use your laptop as well. So as I don't have any laptop and PC with me right now, so I'm going to delete Apple from my iPhone. So for that, go to Safari and search privacy. Go to privacy.apple.com, and from here go to your Apple ID. Okay, I'm just going to tab data and go to data and privacy, okay, so from here go to delete your account. So tap request to delete your account and wait. So from here go down and select a reason to delete your account. So I'm going to choose I would like to stop using my account, or I think my account could be compromised and I want to protect my data, and I prefer not to say, or any other specific option. So after that you can continue and your account permission will be succeeded. So this is how you can delete your Apple ID permanently. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon button. See you in the next video. Bye bye.